Hello, guys, this is OnePlus 8 Pro, the flagship killer 120Hz fluid display. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and 5G Warp Charge 30 wireless 48MP quad camera with QHD display. The OnePlus 8 Pro's fluid engine ensures on-screen content flows seamlessly from one frame to the next, while innovative MEMC technology provides even smoother motion. Paired with a brilliant 6.78 QHD Plus display and 120Hz refresh rate, it's love at first swipe, stunning detail, breathtaking clarity, see from edge to stunning edge with a 6.78 QHD Plus display. Brighter in sunlight with a display that can reach an incredible 1300 nits, you can see on-screen content even under direct sunlight, see vibrant colors, all 1 billion of them. An industry-leading 10-bit color display features 64 times more colors than previous versions. Passed with flying colors, a fully calibrated display delivers ultra-high color accuracy for a true-to-life viewing experience. Seamless and detailed video experience, smoother videos that pop with vibrant colors and brilliant detail. Dynamic Details HDR Boost enhances shadow and highlight detail while gaming or watching your favorite videos. OnePlus says more power, more speed. The flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 is 25% more powerful, setting a new benchmark for performance. Powerful 5G performance. Download movies in seconds, share photos near instantly and get comprehensive network coverage with 5G. Smart 5G. The OnePlus 8 Pro automatically switches between 5G and non-5G networks, extending your battery life so you stay connected for longer. With Wi-Fi 6 charge faster way. Choose how you charge with Warp Charge 30T and Warp Charge 30 wireless. Improved charging technology ensures that your phone charges up fast enough to keep up with you. Warp Charge 30 wireless, no wires, all power. Charge up from 1% to 50% in just half an hour with new Warp Charge 30 wireless. You can also share your charge with reverse wireless charging. Warp Charge 30T. When you need a plug-in, a quick 23-minute charge gives you up to 50% power, while the massive 4,510 mAh battery keeps you going. Powerful photography made. Capture the moment with a powerful 48MP quad camera. A new high-resolution ultra-wide-angle camera expands your view, while dynamic video lets you shoot more vibrant and detailed videos. Expand your perspective with a dramatic 120 degrees field of view. Frame everything from epic group photos to nighttime cityscapes with a brand new 48MP ultra-wide-angle camera. Really close macro mode brings you closer to the subjects that matter. Focus on subjects just 3 centimeters away to capture intricate new details. The OnePlus 8 Pro is available in 3 variants. Onyx Black, Glacial Green, Ultramarine Blue. OnePlus 8 Pro stays protected from sudden splashes. The OnePlus 8 Pro in Glacial Green is equal parts fingerprint resistant and irresistible. With a contoured matte agate glass finish, the design delivers an unparalleled look and feel. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment below. Also, you can communicate with me on Instagram for more updates. Follow me. Peace out.